Holy crap. I did it. I think I did it. I did it. I did do that. This feeling is so overwhelming. I'm shocked, completely surprised. Now, just sitting in the romanticizing of the mundane, wow, holy crap, I'm surprised, I did it. I'm dreaming again. The new beginning is the end. And just like in my dream, not coming when I wanted to come, but when it was supposed to, trusting in the timing, feeling the new beginning at the end, knowing the beginning because of the old. To the beginning, the new begins. And it does leave you feeling the end. Then the new beginning begins. Winter to spring.